lovely voices of Gene Noble, Melissa Music, and then the youngest and newest member of my band, Shane Sega, on the harmonica. Second to none. Shane is only 14 and a half. Are you 15? No, 14 and a half, okay. And he has a very big job, because in the next song he has to duplicate the work of Stevie Wonder. No pressure, Shane. No pressure. We are all with you. All of us. The entire town of Hofstra are here for you. So, the song which Stevie plays is called Brand New Day, and here we are with Shane. Good luck.
Secret geometry of chance, the hidden law of a probable outcome, while the numbers lead a dance. I know that the spades are the swords of the soldier. I know that the clubs are weapons of war. Money for this art, but that's not the shape of my heart. I still see the shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. No, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I have the better one. I won't let you forget me, no. I'm gonna let the spades, the swords of the soldier. I'm gonna let the clubs, the weapons of war. I know the diamonds need money for this art, but that's not the shape of my heart. That's not the shape of my heart. If I told you that I love you, you maybe think there's something wrong. I'm not a man of too many faces. This mask I wear is one. For those who speak nothing, to their cost. Those who push their luck in too many places, and those who fear lost. I still see shadows in